Once upon a time in the enchanting village of Meadowbrook, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was known throughout the village for her kind heart and gentle spirit. She loved to spread joy wherever she went, whether it was by picking flowers for her neighbors or sharing her favorite stories with her friends. One sunny morning, as Lily was skipping through the meadow, she stumbled upon a wounded bird. Its wing was injured, and it couldn't fly. Lily's heart went out to the little creature, and without hesitation, she scooped it up gently in her hands. "Don't worry, little bird," she whispered soothingly. "I'll take care of you." Lily carefully carried the bird back to her cozy cottage and made a cozy nest for it in a shoebox lined with soft cotton. She fed it crumbs of bread and fresh water, tending to its needs with love and patience. Days turned into weeks, and the bird began to heal under Lily's tender care. Its wing grew stronger, and soon it was able to flutter around the cottage, chirping happily. Lily watched with delight as her feathered friend regained its strength. One day, as Lily was playing in the meadow, she heard a faint cry for help coming from the nearby forest. Curious, she followed the sound and discovered a lost fox cub trapped in a thicket of brambles. The poor thing was frightened and trembling. Lily knew she had to help. With gentle hands, she carefully untangled the fox cub from the thorns and cradled it in her arms. She stroked its fur soothingly, whispering words of comfort until the little fox stopped shaking. "Come on, little one," Lily said softly. "I'll take you home with me." And so Lily brought the fox cub back to her cottage, where she nursed it back to health with the same love and kindness she had shown the wounded bird. She fed it warm milk and cuddled with it by the fireplace until it was strong and healthy once more. As the days passed, Lily's acts of love and kindness spread throughout Meadowbrook, inspiring others to follow her example. Neighbors helped each other, friends shared their toys, and the village blossomed with joy and goodwill. And as for Lily, her heart overflowed with happiness, knowing that she had made a difference in the lives of those around her. For in the end, she knew that love and kindness were the true magic that could heal the world and make it a brighter, happier place for all.